Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. You know I'm always appreciative of you returning and showing me love. So if you want to know more about this unit that I'm wearing right here, how about you stay tuned for all the details.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
So guys, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing today is this unit right here, and it's a Bobbi Boss unit, and I have it in the style MLF235, and it's called Calandria, and I have it in the color F1B/30. So it is part of their MediFresh collection, and it's supposed to be advanced protection against pathogens and UV rays. How am I supposed to know that? I don't know, but hey, good marketing strategy, I guess. But this unit that I'm wearing right here, I have a video on it. The video is either coming up or it's already been uploaded. Make sure you're subscribed and you have a notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. So this is what Calandria is looking like. She is nice and pretty. She got some curves to it. And then for cap construction, she has two combs in the front, one comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And then the cap is it's a little stretchy, so that's a good thing. But I'm gonna take this one off and we're gonna put this one on, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is what the hair is looking like after I have styled her. I didn't do much to it. I took my hot comb and I flat ironed this part, the top a little bit to flatten it, and I took my pressed powder and put it in the cap to blend with my complexion. And I used this spray right here to give it a little bit of shine. And I got this. I saw this on Gladys Is That Your Hair channel, and she recommended it. And it makes it just gives the hair that extra shine, and it's lovely. So now for pricing, this hair costs, let me see, $41 on Elvis Style for this particular color that I have right now. If you want it in the natural color, according to Elvis Style, it's still the same price. So this hair is heat safe, obviously, because I did apply heat to it. It is heat safe up to what? It doesn't say to what degree, but it has a HD transparent lace, and it has baby hair, but I didn't use the baby hair because I didn't feel like it needed it. It's cute, but she is shedding like crazy, and I'm getting little tangles and stuff with it. Right now it's not tangling, but every time I go like this, I'm getting strands of hair, so that's not okay. But then again, like I always say, it's synthetic hair, it is expected, so take that with a grain of salt, if you know what I mean. But this is what it's lace to lace, the ear to ear, and you can part it from this much all the way up to here. So that's the amount of range you have in parting it. I like her a lot, except with it shedding. I don't like that part, but I like the length and I like the color. It's cute. It's a cute unit. You can't go wrong with it. I think it's beginner friendly. because I didn't do much to it. And for the cap construction, I think it is big head friendly. I definitely have some room back there, and I'm average head, so yeah, it's big head friendly. So I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like around, what she looks like all around. Yeah, and one thing I would say, I like the density. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, which is nice. I'm not complaining. So if you like Calandria, let's talk about it in the comment section. You know, tell me what you're thinking, and make sure you're following me on social media on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Yes, I'm on TikTok, but I'm not posting. I'm trying to, you know, just get into the social media world just a little by little. But I'm on TikTok, so you can follow me there at Love Your Crownz, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.